more safe spaces for people to open about their trauma, Bumble, a woman-first social networking app, is teaming up with Bloom to provide complimentary online trauma support to members of its global community who experience sexual assault or relationship abuse. A press release states that through this program, members of the Bumble community will have the opportunity to receive up to 6 therapy sessions as well as one-to-one chat support with the Bloom team, in addition to its library of resources created by survivors and trauma-informed therapists. Now talking about how does it work. If someone within the Bumble community reports sexual assault or relationship abuse to their feedback team, they will receive a code for free access to a version of Bloom customized for Bumble users. Bloom is run by Shine, a survivor-led non-profit addressing gender-based violence by creating intersectional resources online. In other words, Shine's services are made for survivors by survivors since 2020. It has built a team of qualified and trauma-informed staff in addition to a global volunteer network to deepen outreach and services, the release states. The trauma caused by sexual violence can devastate survivors, but with the right support, survivors can heal and reclaim their lives. Feedback from Bloom participants has been phenomenal. They told us it has allowed them to access support for the first time, made them understand their trauma better and feel less alone, and gave them the tools and the space they need to support their healing. Hira Hussain, the founder of Shines, has said, for the release, Bumble and Bloom are working together on a custom curriculum that will initially be available in English and Spanish, followed by French, Hindi, Arabic and Urdu in 2022. Survivors within the Bumble community can assist in the programming of this offering through an anonymous survey that will shape the post content. Safety has been central to Bumble's mission from day one. We have always been guided by clear principles, empowering women and using Bumble's platform and technology to create a safe and equitable environment for our community, said Rachel Haas, the Vice President of Member Safety at Bumble, adding, as someone who has dedicated their life to supporting survivors, I know the enormous impact we can have on the person's healing by providing them with access to the support they need and deserve. Bumble will begin offering therapy via Bloom's full-time staff to an initial pool of users later this year with the plans to expand. That's all for today. Now this is Palak Gupta signing off.